Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video we'll be looking at the 1STPLAYER's TS4 cooler. It is the AIO in here, and I can tell you that in a time where there's all these AIO with LCD screens, one with an LCD screen that you cannot change the background does seem quite refreshing. So let's dive into the details, but before that actually, let's head over to the overhead camera and go through the unboxing process. So top-down view of this cooler. So as you can see, simple cooler. So the screen, it has stats display, but it's not customizable, which is okay as well. So you don't have to fiddle with software. So this is what the box looks like, pretty much just that. So let us look at what the cooler inside is like. I'm trying to lift it up, but I cannot for some reason. Let's see. This way it works. Okay, and we are presented first thing, manual. Nice big, okay, credits to them. Nice big text on the manual. Okay, good stuff. Now let's look at the packaging. It does not have a box. Normally a lot of coolers they have a box. This one is just a bag for the accessories. Not a problem at all to me. And this is the product itself. Yep, let's bring out the AIO. So this is the area for the CPU block, right? And then cover, and then over here, next up, nicely big written text, 1STPLAYER. It's not glossy. It has a kind of like what do you call it, powder coated, you know, this kind of textured feel. Fans look nice, right? It's semi-translucent for the RGB effects. And let's look at the AIO ARGB pin and PWM pin. That's good, and you can daisy chain the ARGB for the stats. Of course, it looks like you still have to deal with software, of course, to read the stats from the system. And then PWM fan connection, and pretty much that. So the lights up of the, there's no RGB on this CPU block, so it's entirely USB powered. So basically what I gather is, I think if you don't connect at all, then you just use it without stats, which is nice as well. And I like the tubes are short. Okay, it's a 240mm, and what I like is it's quite flexible, so that's nice too. Alright, so the unboxing ends here. Very simple 240mm tower CPU liquid cooler AIO. And with that, let's head over to the review proper. Alright, with the unboxing done, you've seen how it is. So let me start by showing you the display screen. The display screen is very nice. It is sharp, although I don't see the pixel lines, but it is definitely sharp looking, and you are able to twist the display to the orientation that you like. That's nice. Installation was easy. And then the fan is not two 120mm fans. It is a unified piece of fan. So in a way, it's actually, how you say, when they're together, you probably reduce vibration and such. However, if one ever spoils, you need to find a way to replace both one shot. That aside, performance wise, it is very good. In fact, I was using it with an AMD Ryzen 7 7700X. So if I was to run stock and run full load, then it will peak at 95 degrees Celsius. However, if I run PPO with curve optimizer set it to -30, on full load, it reaches only 92 degrees Celsius, which means it is keeping the CPU in check. And what does this mean? This means that if you are running for gaming setup, it's really good to go. And if you are running to do full load with your CPU, then what you need is to do what I did with the curve optimizer. And lastly, the price. The 240mm black version here is just RM209. Of course, the 360mm other colors cost a bit more, but it's still affordable. And overall, the setup is so simple. One software that just as long as you connect it to the USB 2.0 pins and power the software, everything is displayed. There's no headache to set up. Now I've used some cooler, and what happened is they have a default screen and limited display. This one, they show you everything, the temperature, the load, the fan RPMs and whatnot. You can see for yourself on the screen there, so it's nice. So overall, this is an excellent product from 1STPLAYER, and it's being purple color, I find that it fits whether you want to run rainbow, or in this case I'm running it full purple. I think it looks nice. It's simple to set up. Oh, and one thing to highlight, the tubes. They are, like what I mentioned when unboxing, it's flexible and it comes with some clips to hold it in place as well, so you don't have it split in awkward fashion. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and bye bye.